I will give you a suggestion. Okay,
Okay.
just in a minute. You have to
Take your
know.
time.
You have to know how to use Photoshop. Yes.
Okay.
No. No. If they don't have any signs, put it down on a painting. What you have to do is you. You count on square, okay? Those as and then you fold square,
Do the same thing with your own paper.
and then you take any paper, and like for example, that size of paper, okay? Would you take one of them here? See, this is 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, 1.5.
And then you fold that 1.5, and then you have your proportion.
Yes.
You do.
And then, yeah. So when you fold 1.5, it's about three quarters of this is
Yes.
1.5, and then that's just the size you're gonna paint.
Right.
If they don't have exact original size, you do that, okay? And then the other thing is what you have to do also. You grip, okay?
Right.
And then you grid it. Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. Yep.
Yep.
Voila.
Voila.
Voila, voila.
Use your great skill knowledge.
And then you could go as detailed as you like, okay? And then this is what I normally do if I copy anybody's painting. I do that, okay? Now, before I begin this, now landscape painting, I've seen all your work. We have to talk a little about the technical.